Here I have a 2013 Chevy Avalanche 5.3. The code is the O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 1. Now I'm going to show you. So the firing order for Chevy is 1, 3, 5, 7. And the right side is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8. So bank 1 sensor 1 is on the driver's side. Bank 1 is driver's side. Sensor 1 is where the cat is. So now I'm going to lift up the car so you can see. Right now I'm under the car. So you can see this is sensor 1 right here. This is before the cat. So this is a cat. And sensor 2 would be behind the cat. So bank 1, sensor 1, sensor 2. Now bank 2 will be on this side, the driver's side. And you can see sensor 1 right there. Sensor 2 is right here. So bank 1 would always start with cylinder 1. So here is the part number for my O2 sensor. And there's one connector right there that's holding on to the O2 sensor. You gotta check out the green lock right there and pry it out. Now this lock right here sits inside the tab. It sits inside like this, right, to lock it. But you're gonna pull the lock out, pull it out, and then once you pull that out, you can press this up, and this sensor will just comes right out. So right now I have my long 2 adapter and my 3/8, and just go ahead and just. So I broke the sensor loose already, and now I'm just gonna twist it out with my hands. There you go. Here's my old one. Here's my new one. So you can see that the connectors are the same length. The sensors also the same. And before you put it in, make sure you put a little bit of anti-seize in there. So the next time, whoever remove it, makes it a little bit easier for you. Here's the part number. So I got the O2 in already. We're going to tighten it down for the sensor. So you just push it in, and then once this is locked in, you can put the green lock over it. Now I'm just gonna put it back on top there, clip it in. That's it. Just showing you the tools I use for the O2 sensor, which is gear wrench. That's the part number for the whole set. You got the 5.8D, the super long one. You got the oil pressure sensor, and you got the short one right here. Pretty good tool. So I'm just showing you the code again for the O2 sensor code. Here you go. That's the O2 sensor code, P015B. Now I'm gonna clear it. So I'm gonna clear it now. Should be okay. Okay, let's cycle the key off. Turn the engine back on. And that's it. So if you guys like my video, leave it a thumbs up. Ask me anything you want to ask me, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys. That's it.